check out the new stance on the Skyline. These were just lowered on some, what was it? Prime coils? Okay. Let's see. I mean, it's pretty close, but it used to be like this much gap. I think the front wheels are a little bit sunken in. And the rear is pretty good. Anyways, we didn't record that because he was too excited to get them on. But we're gonna install these today. So these are, yeah, you go ahead and explain this.
So this is the next part I'm gonna install. These are Cusco tension rods, and I like these because it has a little cover over the heim joint so dust doesn't get in there and wear it out prematurely. And I like the color too. So these, I actually bought these for an S13. So cool little fact is that rear-wheel drive Skylines R32s are the same as S13s underneath. So like almost all the suspension parts are the same. Then I also got the little bar that connects the two tension rods together to make it stiffer. So I bought these parts brand new from Right Hand Drive Japan, and as you can see here, it shows the compatibility of which cars it'll work on. So there's S13 and then the HCR32, which is the rear-wheel drive one. But I like this little disclaimer at the bottom here. This product is designed for use in Japan only. So I bought these coilovers on Black Friday. It was like almost 60% off, so I couldn't pass that up. It's a Prime, so it's like a sub brand of Fortunato, and it rides alright, I guess. Feels kind of like a BC or like D2 or something. Alright, so here's the actual part that I'll be replacing today. This is the tension rod, and over time this bushing just wears out and it results in a sloppy steering feel, so it doesn't feel direct. And I also had my car on the alignment rack, and this left side is bent because I had like 1 degree of cross caster, and as you can see with these are adjustable, so I can correct that angle. Should ride a lot better once I'm done. Ooh. Alright, so I got the old tension rod off, and as you can see, this is just super cracked. Real soft too. Some cracks up here. And then if you look back down here, you can see that they are the same. I just gotta adjust the length to match this side, and then put it back on, and that'll be a good ballpark. And that should be it. So let's throw this on the car. Okay, as you can see, I got both sides installed. Now we just gotta put on the middle bar here, and that should be it. Okay, so the last part of this install is to put some tension on that middle bar there. So we're gonna make it push out just a little bit. Just turn this here. That feels pretty tight. And then just tighten this up. And that should do it for the install. So we got new tension rods here on both sides, and tension bar, I don't know what you call that, brace or something. So now I just gotta get an alignment to make sure it's all straight and good. And yeah. Okay, I just took it around the block and it does feel a lot nicer now. But I still gotta get an alignment, so. But yeah, here's how his stance looks, I guess. If you remember in the other video when I put the wheels on, I had like about an inch gap. So this is much nicer. Now I'm just gonna end this video off showing that I am still working on an RB25 swap. So here are the RB26 valve covers, just because it looks way better. This one is for sale, by the way, because I'll be using this one. So there's the valve covers. I got the Wiring Specialties harness, all brand new. And here's the gasket kit, brand new OEM. So there's still a lot of parts to buy. I don't even have the engine yet, but make sure you subscribe to see that build. And it's all for this car here.